Teddy, say hi. Where are we? Are we going to stay at a hotel tonight? Ooh.
Okay. You got some room to run around.
We are at a hotel tonight. Teddy, you approve of that? It's like a little suite. We have a fridge, a dishwasher too. We have 2 little beds and a big TV. And this is called the... Bri, I turned the lights on. I turned the lights on. And here we have the sink area and the shower and bath. Let's see, we have shampoo and stuff, towels, toilet, and over here we have hangers, an iron, a laundry basket, and some extra blankets. 2 little beds.
He's missing Grandma.
Are you missing Grandma and Grandpa?
Grandma and Grandpa, it'll be just a minute.
And we have a little kitchen with a little sink and dishwasher, a fridge, and a microwave, and a stovetop. Ooh. I think this hotel has free dinner certain days of the week. What's that, Teddy? Coffee? Yeah, that's right. This is the Staybridge Suites, and it's pretty close to Bass Pro here in Oklahoma City, and we just walked there. So, yeah, so far we had a good night's sleep. Yeah, the bathrooms were so-so, beds were so-so. However, they had supper or dinner, so that's always a plus because it was included. And breakfast, which was pretty good. Teddy liked the breakfast sausages. Yeah. We're in Oklahoma City. Is that Oklahoma City? What's that, Teddy? It's a buffalo. Can you say buffalo? Hi. Buffalo. So Teddy and I are at Bricktown in Oklahoma City, and I stopped by Starbucks to get a venti iced matcha lavender cream oat milk latte, and it's a new thing that just came out. Every time we come to the US, we seem to spend a lot of money on like random food and whatnot, but hey, we're not here all that often, and we are pretty cheap in New Zealand sometimes. But yeah, we're in Oklahoma City. This is Teddy's first time in Oklahoma City. You might be wondering what's in Oklahoma City, but we're here. He's cleaning the fish tank. Are you waving?